Hello, how are you, Cancer? Welcome to my channel, Star, and welcome to your reading. Cancer, this is your reading for the month of May, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Cancer, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. In the extended, we'll see uh, what your person truly thinks and feels about you, and action they will take towards you, and likely conclusion. And if you're interested in personal readings, I have restarted one question, two question, three question series. The details about the same are in description box and comment section. All right, so let's get started now. Let's get started. Cancer, let's see what you need to know. Cancer, let's see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Cancer. Let's see what you need to know. We have Four of Cups. Four of Cups is telling me, Cancer, that indeed someone is missing you. I think so. This is someone who had some really long term big plans with you. I'll pull out all the cards and then we'll talk in detail. Ten of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, yeah. The King of Pentacles. Uh, Then we have the Death and Rebirth, and bottom of the deck we have the Temperance. You might be dealing with a Scorpio, you might be dealing with an Aries, you might be dealing with a Virgo, Capricorn, you might be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Sagittarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Clearly, someone is missing you. Clearly, someone is thinking a lot about you. Clearly, someone is heartbroken over the fact that both of you are not together. Okay. This person definitely wanted to have long-term future with you, probably wanted to have kids with you. They wanted to grow old with you. They saw something within you and they sort of felt like, yes, both of you are destined in this lifetime. Both of you are meant to be together. You are meant to unite. You are meant to carry forward a legacy. You are meant to have a happy ending. But whatever happened, maybe most likely this person kind of screwed up, Cancer, okay? And because with the Four of Cups, I'm also getting an energy of regret. They're regretting looking at those cups like, I wish I wouldn't have acted in such a manner. I wish I wouldn't have done this. I wouldn't have done that. So, it's like they are heartbroken over the fact that they ended up hurting you, that they ended up pushing you away. Whereas when it comes to you, Cancer, I think so you're completely focused on yourself. You're completely focused on taking care of yourself, taking care of your own needs. You're completely focused on manifesting abundance. You're completely focused on your pentacles, the growth, the destined growth that you want to experience personally, professionally. And you're also like you're trying to balance out your feminine and masculine energy. Somewhere you kind of felt like while during the time you were with this person, there was always some sort of imbalance that you were experiencing, and that is why we have Temperance. You felt like, maybe you were giving a lot into this connection and nothing was coming towards you. There was not equal give and take. Maybe this person treated you unfairly, was not given the treatment that you deserve. So you have withdrawn yourself from the situation. You have clearly withdrawn yourself from the situation and you have reinvested that energy within you. And since the time you have withdrawn yourself from this person, um, you are flourishing. You are absolutely flourishing. You're doing good. Okay. Mm. The Temperance card is indeed telling me that there is a lot of divine protection that is also coming towards you in a way that for some of you, like there are some negative elements that are trying to come towards you and enter in your life. Now these can be people with negative energies, people from the past who are carrying negative energies, new people who are carrying negative energies. They probably are trying to enter in your life, and because of the fact that you're thriving, you're doing good in your life, you're radiating a lot of positivity. So souls that are getting gravitated towards you, the energies that are getting gravitated towards you, they're coming towards you because they need healing. They're coming towards you because you're flourishing, you're doing good for yourself. But divine is trying to protect you from such kind of energies. So for any of you, If your ex was very toxic, very manipulative, was not good for your growth, divine is blocking this person, because divine is kind of forcing, if at all they want you, divine is forcing them to work on themselves. Divine is forcing them to transform themselves and then come towards you. In the meantime, you're working on yourself, you're working on your energy, your pentacles, you're glowing. There is tremendous spiritual awakening that is happening within you. And what is going to happen because of that is you're attracting a lot of new people, powerful new people who have already worked on themselves. Okay, so for some of you, definitely someone from the past is coming. For some of you, definitely there is a new person. For some of you, there is a choice between the past and the new. It depends upon what are your priorities. What is it that you want? For some of you, you're ready to reconcile with the past, because with the death and rebirth, I can certainly say yes. Some of you want the past person. You're manifesting the past person. You're manifesting equilibrium in the past situation. But even though you want the past person, you are not making a move towards them. You are doing your own thing. In the meantime, you're waiting patiently for this person to come towards you. Okay, whereas when it comes to others, I do feel like you're clearly manifesting someone new. So whoever this new person is, they're coming across as someone who is a spiritually awakened soul. Again, I feel like this is also someone who is heavily protected. Okay, this is someone who has worked on himself or herself, especially on their shadow energies. This is someone uh, who is in the energy of the king. Whether you're a man or a woman watching this, it doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say when I say that this person is in the energy of the king is, all I'm saying that this person has come a long way. They've come from a page to a knight to a queen to a king. Okay, so the new person that is coming towards you is someone who is highly self aware, someone who has already worked on their shadow aspects, someone who is mature, someone who is going to be very understanding, someone who is going to be loving and caring, someone who is well aware of the fact that what it needs to be done to make the relationship work. So they will be pretty much responsible and they'll not shy away from putting in the hard work if at all it's needed. Okay, so you're attracting someone who is very mature, balanced, someone who will shower you with a lot of love, someone who's going to act very responsible in the relationship, right? So what I see over here, Cancer, is that there are two things that I see. First of all, you're working on yourself, and more specifically, I do see that your energy is such where you're attracting a lot of money towards you. Okay, whether by establishing new projects or through existing business, your business is flourishing in the month of May. Okay, for some of you, promotions are happening. Along with promotion, salary increment is happening. Okay, for some of you, you're doing both, maybe job as well as side hustle. For some of you, there are multiple sources of income which are going to give you money. You will get money from all sources of income, right? And then the next thing I do see over here is you're attracting right partners, especially in love and romance. You're attracting right person towards you, whether the past person or the new person. If past person is coming, the past person will come as a transformed version, especially if you're meant to be with that person. And if a new person is coming, this person is already who has worked on himself or herself. Okay, I think so. You will see a lot of birds in and around you, flocking in and around you. I'm hearing parrots, okay, or birds who will have feathers on their head, on their crown area during on yeah, on the crown area, and for some of you, I do feel like another sign that the right person is not far away is you will feel like you're getting attracted towards nature a lot. Okay, you will feel like I want to start gardening as a hobby, maybe I want to learn pottery, and you will find yourself getting so engrossed into it. Okay, for some of you, you will feel like I want to go on a short road trip, but I want to go in a place which is in the vicinity of the nature. Okay, so that is going to be a very big sign, or probably for some of you, you will start attracting a lot of stray animals. Automatically the strays will get gravitated towards you, right? So that is going to be one of the major signs, and they will be the major signs and synchronicities that the right person is not far away. For some of you, yes, you're going to you're going to you're going to have kids with this person. Again, take how it resonates. uh, for some of you, the new person that is coming towards you is also someone from the past lifetime. You shared a life with this person in a previous life. Okay, and most likely you guys were couple, it's couple only. Okay, and not in any other relationship and not in any other capacity. And that's what I see. You're attracting, you do have a contract with this person, and you're attracting this person in your life all over again. All right, someone from the past is definitely rushing towards you to stop you from moving on. Just be careful about some of them. They probably, some of them are still in low vibrational energy. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread, Cancer. Okay, take care and bye.